I'm about to share with you a free AI tool that allows you to turn your own photos into cartoon. How cool is that? So guys, what you want to do, head over to vidnose.com guys. This AI platform allows you to do so much with AI. So if you head over to their free AI tools, you can see that you get a ton of different AI tools that you can choose from. Now, as I said, the purpose of this video is to show you how you can convert or turn your own photos into cartoon. So I'm going to select this option here guys, then click on upload a photo. I'm going to choose a random photo here of this woman, and I'm going to use the AI tool to convert it into a cartoon. So this is a picture guys. I'm going to simply click on generate, and you will see that within a couple of seconds this is going to pump out a few different selections of cartoon images that you can use. So let's wait for the AI to do its magic, and I'm going to show you what the end results look like. And there you have it guys, this is what VidNose did to those images, and you can look at the different options to see what it has done. Now this look really cool. I really like this one, and as I said guys, you can choose between whatever you want. So these are the different options that VidNose did for this image, and guess what, if you're not satisfied, let's check out another image. I'm going to upload another image. Let's put this one to the test, and you will see how VidNose create another style of AI cartoon pictures. So let me go ahead and click generate again, and I'm going to show you the end result of this picture here guys. And as you can see here guys, VidNose is really pumping out some images for me. This is the first option here. This is the second option here. This look really cool. And there's another option here. This look also cool. And this is another option here. So guys, if you want to create some cartoon images of your own image, I would suggest you try out VidNose, play around with it, because guess what? It's absolutely free. You can use VidNose AI tool to create cartoon images of your own image. With that said guys, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give this video a like. This AI tool is 100% free, so you can go ahead and use VidNose at any point in time to generate cartoon images. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.